In this video, we're going to show you how to install the headlight bulbs on your Explorer Interceptor located behind your headlamp assembly. Now with the hood open, you're going to go ahead and reach around to the back side of the headlamp assembly. And in most cases, you're going to find this rubber boot on the back side. Go ahead and peel that off. And with the rubber boot removed, you can go ahead and see the bulb on the back side here. Now you want to reach in and grab that bulb. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. Now trying to feel the position of it, and it's kind of up, going up maybe at like 10 o'clock here. So we're going to turn this, and then should be able to wiggle that light out like so. Now right on the back side here, there's going to be a little clip. You can lift that up and pull that light out. Remove the bulb. Go ahead and feed your bulb into place. Grab that harness. Line that up. And push that on. You can hear it and feel it click into place. Now the headlamp assembly or the bulb is keyed. There's little tabs around the perimeter that are going to interlock into the back of the headlamp assembly. So feed that in. And by feel, you're going to go ahead and rotate this until you feel the bulb sink into the headlamp assembly. You do want to make sure that all three of those tabs do interlock in, because otherwise when you go to tighten it, the bulb will be crooked and your light pattern or beam will be incorrect, and you could burn out a bulb prematurely or damage the lamp assembly. And once you get that in, go ahead and turn that clockwise. Give it a little wiggle. And the headlamp bulb is installed. Take the rubber cap, line that up, and gently work that around and seal that up. And there it is. You want to go ahead and repeat this process for the driver's side. And at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.